Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the July Bellabox. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so I'm going to interrupt the video just to give a quick shout out to Yoga Design Lab. We are currently running a giveaway on my Instagram, so make sure you go ahead to my Instagram to enter a giveaway to win one of these amazing yoga mats. I know what you're thinking, I'm not a yoga pro, however I do have a really bad back and neck and I do need to stretch it out a lot, and I was just doing it on the floor, but ever since I got this mat, it has made it so much more enjoyable and comfortable. The mat is absolutely gorgeous and it feels so soft and amazing, and it barely moves off the ground. It's really good. It's made the stretches so much more enjoyable rather than just, you know, oh, gotta do this again sort of things. So yeah, make sure you head over to my Instagram to win one of these amazing mats. All you gotta do is just like the picture, tag a friend in the comments, and follow both myself and Yoga Design Lab on Instagram. So yeah, head over to the Instagram and you can get more details on how to win this amazing yoga mat. It is so good. Like, I might even have to start learning to do yoga now that things are starting to open back up again. It's so nice to stretch on this thing. You have no idea. So yeah, head over to Instagram. I'll see you over there. So this is the box color this month. Then yeah, let's dive into all the goodies. I've got some cute picture on the card this month, and we've got the products, and let's dive in. So the first thing I see here is a Bean Body Coffee Clay Mask in charcoal. Clay mask charcoal. Yeah, we've had this brand a few times in recent boxes. This one is full size. It's 50 mils, $29.95 at davidjonespharmacy.com.au. With skin loving charcoal that detoxifies your skin, this mask blends bentonite clay, kaolin aloe, and witch hazel to hydrate and rejuvenate, boosted with caffeine to target pores and tired areas. This mask delivers tight and bright complexion for ultimate skin radiance. That one actually sounds really good, and it's a really good size product as well. So yeah, I'm actually keen to try that one and give it a go. Next we have this little package from Saint Luxe. It is, I think it's like a lip liner and eyeliner duo. We did get to pick this month. There was 2 sets of shades of the lip and eyeliners, or there was a MCO Beauty little eye palette. I chose a lip and eyeliner duo from Saint Luxe. I got the shades Lush, head into winter looking chic and glam with this month's beauty opt-in selections. There were a few shades to choose from for the eyeliner and lip liner duo. They have smudge proof formulas. Yeah, it is $40 US for this set, and it is available at stluxebeauty.com. Definitely a good choice considering the MCO product is $10 at Woolworths, and this is $40, and you get 2 things in it. So I definitely made the right decision over a little glitter palette you could buy at the supermarket compared to this duo. There is a brown eyeliner and a sort of pinky lip liner. That was compared to like a black eyeliner and something else. So I'll swatch these for you guys. So here are some swatches of the products. We have the lip liner that seems to be a deeper, more reddy sort of, I don't know how to explain it, but that's it. And then there's a brown eyeliner. They were really creamy to apply actually, just for the swatch. So I'm pretty impressed just from that. It was really easy. And yeah, I'm actually really keen. I didn't want to just go for a normal black pencil eyeliner. I've got a drawer full of those. So to get a brown is definitely something, you know, different but not too extreme. So yeah, I'm really happy with the color choice that I made. Next we have a very exciting product. It is a Burt's Bees lip balm. I love Burt's Bees. So this one is the Ultra Conditioning Lip Balm. Let me just say, this is perfect. We really need this sort of thing in winter, and I can't wait to give it a go. Like, I love my Burt's Bees coconut. So yeah, this one's really exciting to me. I hope it's as good as my coconut one. This one is full size, $6.95, available at Big W and Priceline. Perfect for winter, this conditioning balm is infused with nature's finest ingredients, including cocoa balm butter, shea butter, and antioxidant-rich marula oil. Packed with 100% natural ingredients, its formula is designed to leave your lips soft and smooth and hydrated through the cold. So yeah, I'm super keen to give this a go. So yeah, definitely need to add this one to my handbag ASAP. Next we have a little sample. This is the bonus. And the fact we get Alpha H as the bonus is really good because it is a more like higher end brand. It is the Alpha H Essentials Perfect Moisturiser. Yeah, can't wait to give that a go. I love receiving samples of, you know, brands that are a bit more out of reach compared to things at the drugstore. So yeah, I'm keen to give this a go. Next we have a little Yes to Coconut product. It is a sheet mask. So naturally hydrate, smooth and visibly brighten your skin with Yes 2's vegan friendly face masks. Each mask is formulated with at least 95% natural ingredients to clean and moisturize, revealing refreshed, radiant skin in just 10 minutes. No parabens, SLS or silicones. You will receive either grapefruit vitamin C glow boosting unicorn peel off mask, or Yes to Coconut ultra hydrating paper mask, or Yes to Cucumbers calming paper mask. So the paper mask or the peel off mask. So I think this is a paper mask, and it is $5.99. I think that's, yeah, available at Priceline. I don't know, it just says one mask. I don't know if when you buy it, it comes with more than one mask, but I'm actually keen to give it a go. I'm so glad I got the hydrating. That's exactly what I need. Like, my skin and lips have been so dry. Like, I'm so glad for all of these hydrating products in the box this month. It definitely came to my rescue. And I love coconut, so all the better. So I'm actually really keen to give this a go. Ooh. And the last thing is Inika Organic Range. So it looks like a little envelope. This envelope is so cute. It's got these like little gold like leafy flowers, and it says Inika on it. So I'm assuming it's an envelope, yeah, with 4 little samples in it. So we've got a face oil, an eye cream, a day cream, and a serum. So that's actually such cute little packaging that they've given us, like this little envelope. It's really pretty. I love grey and white. If you've seen, you know, my house video, that's my entire house colors. So this is such cute, like, little packaging for, you know, like these little samples. Yeah, it's just a sachet sample, but like you do get 4 different products to try. So you could basically do an entire skincare routine for like 2 days with this and like see if you know, enjoy the products. And I think this is such cute presentation from the brand. So you will receive 3 to 4 samples. I'm glad I got 4, not 3, of the following. And then there's a bunch of like different products, lots of full sizes with prices. There's just so many to go through, but they're all available at inikaorganic.com.au. so yeah, I'm actually really keen to, you know, give this little packet a go. I think that's such cute packaging from Inika, like the way that they've like sent that out. It's like a little envelope and it's got little samples and some like information, and yeah, I think that's so adorable. So yeah, I really love that. I think that's a great little sample to receive. Next, we have this little Inika gift card as well. So you receive a free eye cream when you purchase 2 products with the code Bright Eyes at Inika. So yeah, there's just some more information about the brand and stuff like that. So just a little pamphlet. And then there is another HelloFresh like card thing, which I probably won't use, but you know, good for people who have more than one person who is actually home. I'm never home, except for now. So yeah, that is everything in the box. So you guys, that's everything in the box this month. I'm actually really happy with the box. I'm pretty excited about every product we received. I absolutely love these, this lip liner eyeliner duo. I love that we got something actually like expensive, like this duo is $40. So that's really good. You've already made your money's worth, and you know, I've got some cool unique colors to play with, and they seem pretty creamy when I did the swatch on my hands. So I'm keen to, you know, give them a go on my face. Burt's Bees Ultra Moisturizing Conditioning like Lip Balm. So keen to give that a go. I love Burt's Bees products as it is. So yeah, definitely keen to see if that one helps my poor lips. The mask, I think, is really great to see them using this brand. I feel like we've been receiving a lot of this brand lately, which should be nice to receive some different brands, but I am keen to give, I haven't tried this before, so I'm keen to give it a go. And yeah, it's a really decent sized product, and the packaging is really cute as well. Alpha H sample, I know it's the bonus, but I'm still keen to give it a go. This Inika packet of samples is so cute. And the fact that there's like at least like 4 samples, that's really good. And this hydrating mask, I'm also really keen to give a go. So yeah, this box has a really big thumbs up from me. I'm really keen about every single thing in the box, which is rare, but I'm so excited about it this month. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you got in your box and what you think about the box this month. Is there anything you're excited to try? Did you get anything different than what I got? And yeah, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.